And welcome back again. This is Rocky Web Channel. So today we'll be discussing about XSS stored process scripting code. The last class we saw XSS reflected. Today I will be discussing about the process scripting stored, which is uh, the one novelty which, like when we execute a script, right, it is going and getting stored in the database, and whenever we visit that page, or like whichever the functionality we type in, so there it executes again. So let's see, here that it's asking for test name and John. So first let me change it to the difficulty to low and submit, and go to stored and then type in John and the script, the message, instead of a message and typing just script. And you can see that it's getting executed. So when we go back to other locate file and come back, right, so this been executed every time when we are there, right. Excuse. So if we go, it's getting stored, right. So when we go to some other page, or like whenever we visit this page where we entered the script, so this executes again. So this one is, I think it's low. Yeah, let me change it to medium and check. See, it executes again whenever we execute that script. Now let's see. It is executing the old one, like whenever we're visiting the page, right. So do we clear this? Let me log out and how do we clear that? Don't have an option here. There should be an option to clear that guest book. So if you can see, right, so it's all the scripts are being getting stored here. So which is the one which I need to clear? This one, it's, yeah, the script, this message I need to delete. How do we get? So yeah, see. You shall. So they're saying until S is permanent until the database reset or manually deleted. Okay, let's see the next one, which is the medium. So in medium, the same type we are testing for, and this time we are giving test, and instead of alert, I'm giving one. I'm giving alert two. See in this medium, does it execute? No, it's one. So here, if you can give. So if I give 2 here and execute, it's giving only 1. So we'll discuss in the next class. I'll find out any scripts to execute. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.